as you can see, it's going amazing. But anyways, let's do this thing like a chicken wing. Louie, what's up? How we doing? To the moon. Louie, you think this is going to the moon? Go to bed? What do you mean go to bed? It's 8. But you go to bed, actually. Why are you awake? Go to sleep. I sound a little bit like your mother, but anyways. Go to bed. Oh, itchy nose. Oh, my shirt. I thought you were talking about... No, it's just a little bit like overcast here today, so I'm actually a teeny tiny little bit cold. Like I said, guys, I'm actually such a big baby when it comes to the cold. You guys are going to see, when it comes to winter, I'm going to be wearing like 30 layers, and it's only going to be like 16 degrees. And everyone's going to be judging me. Oh well. It's fine. I'm so used to you guys judging me by now. Mean. Anyway. Okay. Last thing I need to sort out. Last thing. Then we can do this. What am I doing? I'm doing this. Da, da. Sorry, I went onto the fun fact generator and I see it has, yet again, something to do with Beth. Okay, delete that, delete that. Delete that. Those are all not so important. Delete that. Also, do not need. What time did we say? Previous day, basically. Open till 9:59. Okay. So 9:30. Let's do this. Oh wait. $3.59. Ah. Awesome. That's then sorted. I do not want it to extend right. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Let us mark out everything that we have to. Then we'll do our top to bottom analysis. So pivot points. This is going to be New York high. I can tell you. Okay, previous day high is up at the tippy top. I'm just going to call it New York high, but I know it's previous day high. That's pivot point. Awesome. That is the first presented. Bottom would be right there. Yep. Sorry, the hiccups. The hiccups have started early. Oh wait, I actually don't have to mark that. What am I doing? Asia high. I do have to mark out though. Asia high. Do do do. This irrelevant. Gone. Bye. Okie dokie. This is the previous days. Do not need that. Midnight was taken. That is new. Awesome. So now into the daily. No, wait. I need to mark out New York. New York Asia low first. Ooh. Okie dokie. Getting all my stuff together. Close there for now. Done now. Shall we? All right then. Here we go. New daily opening gap. What do I want to do? I just want to mark it like, nope, not like that. I will respond to y'all momentarily. Midnight in 6 minutes. What's up? Ethan, hi! Oh, let's see, Nene. How you doing, by the way? It took by half an hour ago. Nice, Louis. Early bird catches the worm. Nice to see you on it. What's up, Zah? How are you doing? Zah, I see that you join Iris's live quite often. That is awesome. I love it. I love the support. But to everyone that has hopped on, hi! Just ignore us and go back to trading. Okay, might be. Damn. I'm getting yelled at so early in the morning. This feels unnecessary. It is early, Bob. You can't be mean to me. I mean, you can, but it's not nice. I think that's the point. Whee! Okay. Marked out, marked out. 1, 2, 3. Now midnight, last one. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Here's midnight open. Let's see how it responds to that later on. I see this has just been pushing up. Ooh, a good bob to bob level happening here. Wanting to see what is the reaction. That was a good wick up. I saw that. Luckily, or else that would have scared the living daylights out of me. Anyways. Awesome. What's up, Eddie? How are you? And Kat? Not a lot of traders up that early. True. Show your stats for 180 days. Bet you can't. I can. All my stats are technically in every single live stream. Booyah! Guys, it's nearly going on. Okay, obviously not 365 days because weekends and, you know, like Christmas and New Year's, there was that little bit of a gap. But still, Wombat rules. What's up, Debbie? How you doing? Scam a triple, please. Oh no, don't block him. Please stay. This is gonna be so much fun so early in the morning. Stay. Let's do this. What did I want to do? Oh, because you called me a scammer, I forgot I have to do this. Obviously. Clearly, you know, I'm gonna scam you guys with discounts. Anyways, just kidding. I was just about to block the idiot too. Hey, Lucky, what's up? How you doing? What, Maya just woke up? Why? Because I'm sassy? Heck yes, let's do this. Okay. Marked out midnight, marked out that, marked out that. So all of them's has been marked out. We have made that available. I'm going to start. Where do we start from? No, I'll start from the London. That's where I started. It was pretty decent. Okay, okay. Where did I start from? Yesterday. What session did I start from? I started basically from a swing. Okay, let's see how it reacts here. Oh, now that it's 3. Oopsies, I have not done my top to bottom analysis yet, but it's already 3. In the morning. Damn it. That's not gonna be stuck in my head. Might need to do the good luck sprinkler dance. You think so? Wait, Louis? I'm gonna retest myself aiming for 1 good luck to 1 hit. I didn't, David. I'm so sorry. Like I said, it's been to say it's been chaotic is a bit of an understatement. I had my friend, she got discharged from hospital, but I had her come over yesterday, and she, like, I love her to bits and pieces, but chaos. I hath a name. I posted my Bob Gold Rush level general chat. They're so good. Really? Louis, that is amazing. Oh wait, okay, wait. Apparently I need to do the good luck sprinkler dance. You're copying my trades. That sounds like a you problem right there. But anyways, the impersonators are running wild nowadays. Oh no, Lucky, what happened? But yes, no, they're bad. They are really, really bad. Okay, are you ready? Good luck sprinkler dance. Now, We better win. Okay, just saying. Just saying. With the good luck sprinkler dance that good, we better be winning. Wait, I have to take oopsies. All the luck I can get, which is now add that.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Dag, but it stuck in my head. Emails are getting crazy. They can copy your voice off of a few sentences now, so never take unrecognized call. Like I said, guys, okay, if you are not 100% sure when it comes to is it really me on Discord, literally organize a one-on-one and I will even put the video on and be like, hi, it's me. I will never ask, okay, so here are a few ways you can tell. Number one, I'm very informal. The people that have been chatting to me know I'm very informal when I chat to you on Discord. Kind of like we're chatting now. I'll be like, yo, what's up? I will not send, I've seen what the scammers send. They send a very much copy-pasted thing. Anyways, so that's number one. Number two, if you are still not sure, organize a one-on-one call, a video call. Guaranteed the scammers will run away because they cannot do that. Number three, I will never give you a phone number. And number four, I will not sit there trying to sell you courses. If you guys want to use my affiliate code, if not, it is what it is, right? Anyways, so moving on. Oh my goodness, I can go to bed. Hey, Cryptox, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. You need more range in that sprinkler dance. Take me till today to realize that you're using Eddie. Louis, what's up? All that. They just need to look at the profile and check the roles. And actually, that's valid. Check the roles, people. Usually has a weird punctuation that ain't the same. Give me your number for security reasons. Soldier boy, that was low-key super smooth. That was low-key super smooth. Bob has a point. Just look at the profile and check the roles. Problem solved. Wow. Until... Oh, that is amazing. Okay, whoa. Focus. Okay, top to bottom analysis. Quick sticks. Let's do this. Quick. I don't know why I did that. Chop. Okay. Daily. Oh, I'm like an old lady. We're crying out loud. Okay, well, we struggled to break above this volume imbalance still. The body of the daily candles have still not broken above it. So do we think we're going to have a bit of a bearish day or going to attempt to try and break? I want to break free out of this. So weird. Good luck to you guys. I can already tell the brain's going. Okay. I must say, it's been respecting the heck out of these volume imbalances. I mean, check, hasn't closed above this one, hasn't closed above this one. We are still stucketh in a range though, so that's fun. Anyways. So daily, let's check 4 hour. Range mark, yeah. Well, especially on the daily. Let's check here. Man, you're weird this morning. Whose idea was it to do the sprinkler? Because it wasn't mine. That was all you, baby Bob. Baby boo. You're right, it's getting worse. Anyways, I'm so sorry. Oh, we're about to have a whole bunch of Maya chaos today. Good luck. Okay, broke down a little bit, sure. Do you think this was just a fake out? A little bit of a fake out to the bear side before continuation back up? I wonder. I wonder how, I wonder why. 1 hour. Nope, that was not what I wanted. There we go, 1 hour. Yeah. Just another lemon tree. Volume is funny, what do you mean? Hey, Mr. Pigs, what's up? What's my RR target? It's generally 1 to 2R. In general, it's 1 to 2R. I hope you bring the same energy in 6.5 hours. I mean, if you ask me to do the sprinkler dance, you bet. You bet. I think it all started with that right there. Bit of a volume imbalance. Might retrace back up and then continuation to the bear side. But that being said, it did little bitty tap into that order block. So do we think this is a rejection back up, or do we think this is just a little bit of a bounce before continuation back down? You're right, this is quite a weird... I don't actually have a bias right now. What do you guys think? What's your bias? I think this could go either way. I mean, there's a volume imbalance up here. Maybe it just wants to come mitigate that volume imbalance and then continuation to the bear side. That's definitely possible. Okay, 15 minutes. Now there's that volume imbalance. Take that out. Okie. Well, I think it's definitely bull for now. How long it stays bull is the next question, though. Okay, 5 minutes. Bitcoin buy sell honey butt. No idea. Sorry, I don't trade Bitcoin. Swing trade. Nah, I'm a day trader. Possible AMD. Ooh, maybe Soldier Boy. That's a good point. V-shape recovery. My bias is it can drop here. Interesting. What's up, Dave Mac? And Dave thinks it's going higher. Do you see? This is why this is funky stuff right here. This do be funky stuff right here. I agree. 5 minutes for that to be hit above Asia high, then continuation downside for US market. There. Okay, cool. There we go. That's at least what I suspect. You know, we can all suspect whatever the heck we want when it comes to these markets. Doesn't mean they're gonna listen to us. Okay, not quite tapped into this order block yet. Let's see if it's gonna tap and then bounce back, or if it's just gonna keep going up, 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 and away. Gonna watch Cowboy Bebop for breakfast tomorrow, Mark. Wait. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Check the 5 minute. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, there we go. Okay. Sorry, like I said, I was getting my life in order by doing folding, and I had to check that Perry was not now lying on top of my folding. Anyway. How's the weather? It's good. What if Asia reversed in London, New York are up? Hey, Manuel, what's up? How you doing? Index even funds got out. 853 then drop. Long start. So the sky is looking blue today, yes. Yes, the line is VWAP, up, 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 and away. Hey guys, happy tomorrow Eve. What's up, Maddie? How we doing? Okay, so still not tapped into there. Now let's go. No, stop that. Not 1 month. Hello, sweetie pie. I'm doing my I'm not saying that I'm good at folding. I'm just saying I attempted folding. All my clothes folded. No, not yet. It's why I was late. I was folding and I went, oh damn. I'm good, Muddy. How are you? I'm gonna be in and out. I've been good, thanks. Awesome. How's the trading been going? Armel, what's up? How you doing? What country am I in? Dun dun dun. I'm South African. What's up, guys? Anyone that's new here, I am indeed in and from South Africa. Hope everyone is amazing. Okay, now let's bring the chaos. Woo! Chaos, 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 chaos. Now. Actually, might as well just do this. And then this one we can extend, right? Okay. A little bounce there. What is there? Back to a little bit of a bounce there. Still unmitigated banana-nonagans going on over there. Awesome sauce.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning! Alright, finally getting a little cooler. Nice. Was well over summer. You know what, to be fair? I say that, watch me complain oh so much when winter comes. Because I can guarantee you I will, because I get cold for no reason. But that being said, there is such a thing as heat being just too excessive, and that is what it was down here, so it's fine. Person's armored. Trend is friend, yeah. Eddie? How's it? Oh, yes, it does. What's up, Vince? What part of SA are you from? You know, I didn't really clock that how's it was quite a South African thing to say. I also did not clock that, you know, South Africans tend to say, you know, I'll do it now, now. And everyone assumes that means we're going to do it right now. And I was like, no. If I say, like, do you want to have a call now? That means anywhere in the day. And if I say I'll do it now, that means within the month. South Africa's now is very different. And now means, yeah, I'll get to it. Place my volume profile at the last top or bottom so I don't... What do you mean last top or bottom? So bottom to where? So that's why I went to this top. Or would you just do this bottom back up? Hammer, out of curiosity. I'm very much the same. Getting older is when you're annoyed at the heat. The wet and cold Jersey. Oh my goodness, Vincent, no ways. So I'm currently in KZN, but who knows? Fingers crossed, maybe I'll head back to... Maybe I'll head back to Jersey soon. Procrastination pro. Yeah, what South Africans are the best at. Okay. So let's get oh so serious for a second. Although right now this is not giving much. Still hasn't popped back up into this level yet. Let's watch and see what reactions we get. To be fair, this is actually sugar honey iced tea. I should have maybe seen. Damn. 1, 2. No, but we're actually in that low volume node here. Even down here. Okay, on to the next. Nice to know now that I got a little bit of an extra confluence. Okay, let's see how we react in this bob level and go from there. Stream is whack. What's wrong with the stream, Bob? That's mean. Wow. Laid back or last top to turn. You could stick to only one concept when it comes to trading. I really like my market auction theory. It tends to work really well. Oh, that's not bad. It's getting cold. Till late next week. Really? Oh, but listen, it's better than humid and death and dying, right? Or thereabouts in that range. Oh, but it's already gone bob to bob. Checky. It went bobbeth. Well, actually, from here, bob, a little bit of a retracement back in, and then rejection. Bob up to bob. So let's see. Ooh, I mean, Asia high is up here. I wonder, it could be going. What a minute, Asia high. Yeah. Raining here in the north. Oh. Is it only here? I mean, it is a little bit, it's a little bit overcast, I guess, but yeah, let's see if it rains. Yesterday, it did not rain. Hey, dollars a winner. What's up? How we doing? Yes, this is the futures. This is the future.
Hi.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi. Good morning.
Let's see what we get. Oh, that is some good coffee. Oh, that is hitting the spot right now. I'm a happy chappy. Let's do this. Okay, let's see what we get. Let's see if this is going to reject off of anything. We're kind of in this level. If it's gonna go up and reject, it's gonna be around here. Ooh, right as it taps into that low volume node. Actually, that I didn't even check here. That is exactly what it rejected off of. Whoa, okay. I really like adding this as a little bit of a confluence. I'm not just solely relying on it, but yeah, it's almost like a little bit of an extra. So where this trade was, there were some low volume nodes almost giving, I mean, check, you can see how it kind of bounced off of that low volume node there. If it ranges up at Waterman Asia High, I don't think it'll push through it. Interesting. Dollars winner, how are you doing, by the way? Do you use CSP or no? It is. I've heard of it, but I do not use it, Cameron. I think we'll probably bounce out Thursday. Possible downside. You during London though, or during New York? That's the question. Do you think it's gonna be downside today? Is it just raining everywhere? On the West days. Oh no, Vincent! I am so sorry, but also please don't take this the wrong way. But it's too good to not do this. Damn! I actually let my hair out. Heck yeah, I did. Something is wrong. Please stop. Right. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. You know, Lucky, I call it fun and having a personality, okay? Yes, I just did sassy, but there's a little bit of a war going on here. This is kind of like it's pushing up, but every time it, yeah, shoot, every time it hits a little bitty bit of a low volume node, the sellers just go, ha! Boom! And it kicks into place. I'm all good. Just doing your life by random. I'm a futures trader. That is awesome! Which futures do you trade? I got out and took a sell at 2 for 830. Nice. Have you profited in the past 5 days? Well, Moses, I don't mean to be that person, but yesterday I got 40 cents. Okay. So no, I've been having a little bit of a losing streak, or learning streak, an L streak, if you will. And that's fine. This is why I kind of went and I sat down and I've added this indicator now to almost up the indicators a little bit, because sometimes, you know, the market auction theory can just be there, but just there was something missing. And this so far appears pretty decent. So yesterday was actually quite a bit of forward testing. So I didn't really take any trades, but I did a bunch of forward testing with this. Yesterday was the first day I started using the volume profile level to this extent. I've always kind of had some volume profile, but not not to this extent. And yeah, here we are. Did you get your morning coffee? Yes. I do have a Discord, so dollars win it. Just be aware, please, people. If anyone joins the Discord, please just be aware that they are scammers. They are so irritating. I am not that formal when we chat. I'm very, like, personal when we chat. Also, just check, what did Bob say? Sugar, honey, iced tea. Check the roles. If it obviously doesn't say owner, it's not me. Okay, check the roles. Problem solved. What's a personality? Sorry. Sorry, that I can't tell if you're being serious or not, but that Louis, that was amazing. That was amazing. Why your balance is not? It's not. Green, it's great. Thanks, Debbie. 40 cents could change my life right now. I hear that. Up one fairy friend. Someday she will take a trade. One fairy friend. Yeah, when the market stops low-key going sideways. It's going up and sideways, but still sideways, and that just doesn't work for my way of trading. Welcome, by the way. Goodness. Oh, I'm an admin. Okay, community server. Okay, I set my roast list to 20 on the volume profile. That's some of the noise. Interesting. Wait, you didn't ask for managing the fund? No. No, guys, I did not. I really hope that you pay that. No, Louis, that was amazing. That really got me. I was not expecting that. That was like chef's kiss, awesome sauce right there. Okay, struggling to break below Bob level. Oh, Jordy, you asked the question this morning. Yeah, shall we go quickly check on gold? Now that this is low-key going sideways. Like I said, this actually would have been a banger. That would have been a banger trade. And check, Jordy, it correlated beautifully. And even if it went, I mean, technically it kind of did go further down. It rejected off of that low volume node. And this one, I still had like 3-4 low volume nodes as protection before the stop loss. It would have been a banger. Just unfortunately, I was a tad bit late and I was doing my top to bottom analysis. And that's okay. Gold, shall we check them gold rush levels? Why is the Wi-Fi being slow? Wake up. Oh, someone asked if I use prop firms. I do use prop firms, by the way. Sorry, I can't remember who asked, but yeah. I do indeed use prop firms. Okay, let's check Bob's gold rush levels. Where did it take it out? Oh, here we go. No, that was not yesterday. Where did it take it out yesterday? Why are you screaming? It's going to down. I think you should take a short trade. Darku, what makes you say that? I got out the top. You gotta try my Bob settings. I've been... So, did you change the Bob levels, Louis? I'm confused. And by how... What? Yeah? I know you posted. I'll have to check it out. Are you talking specifically on gold right now, by the way? But yeah, can we just say these gold rush levels are insanity. Mother bluffer. Seriously? Okay, wait. I know what I need to do. If it works. You know, I would blame the weather for the bad Wi-Fi, but this is supposed to be fiber. The weather should have no effect. But yet here we are, all frustrated. Oh yeah, this was yesterday. Okie dokie. Was this yesterday? Yeah? No, no, it was not yesterday. When was yesterday during the do. Okay, doesn't matter. Point is, them levels are pretty good. That was basically the point of that. Anyways, back to M&Q. Sorry, I got a little bit fixated. Guy what's up? What happened? Hey Vishal, what's up? Wait a second. We could see. Yeah, I think Rip's given up on me, to be fair, which is mean. Bit of rejection off of. Okay. Let's see what we get. Kind of got like new data going on over here, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's see. I wonder if this is going to just tap into Asia high and then just, or if. Go away. Graag. Kan je alsjeblieft? Listen to schedule, but yeah, so I don't think it's going to be quite a bit from now to Friday. Yeah. Why don't you take the trade? Trust me when I say the sky is looking a little bit blue today in SA, if you know what I'm saying. I don't. Lucky, what? What are you saying? What's happening? I feel like I've missed something important right now. Papa, next volume spot. Lots of views, not enough likes. Oh, okay, damn. What am I trading right now? I'm trading Nasdaq futures, but M&Q to be specific. Doctor, oh, you gotta be gender neutral these days. People get offended. So, gun to your head, predict a direction. I still think it's going to go bullish until it hits like maybe this level. What's this? 873-ish? Maybe we'll get a rejection off of there. So I think it stays bullish. Oh, shoot. Yeah. I think it stays bullish until it comes and mitigates some of this. I mean, I did the top to bottom analysis and I even said during the top to bottom analysis, this could go either way. This really could go either way, but maybe now I could start rejecting off of these low volume nodes and just start going back up. Yeah, I'm really not 100% sure right now. I'm not even gonna lie. This feels like it could maybe just take out some buy side liquidity and then plummet back down. Let's see. I'm also trying to see how it reacts at the bob levels. But this is not, like I said, here was an A+. Oh well, it happens. Is that the yes? Pump it, pump it. All right, later today, have a look at gold. If you're a scalper, interesting. Why do you say that? But all indices are bullish, so it could take it and pump. Interesting, Debbie. Okay. Sorry, I'm going it quickly and I don't have to think about it like indices. Now I'm like, I used to read it and say it as indices. Let's just be fair. DICE is dice. Dice. But anyways, whatever. Let's not get into that kettle of fish again. Blue Monday, anything? Is it Thursday? Oh no! Why, Lucky? Why are you sad? Sad backwards is dust, and dust not good, okay?
Emotional damage.
Why? Why do you say that? I'm gonna swing along on gold right now, but lost it. We can. Dollars winner. It is in the description below, but I guess I can quickly pop one on. Pop. Here we go. Maya teaches German. Heck no. I don't know how to speak German. Don't come at me. Don't speak lies here, muddy. Why are you lying? Hopefully I can keep buying the same success in the second half of this month. I found the first. Of profits, no pressure. Oh, Fish Doctor, that's amazing! No, the markets have been chewing me up and spitting me out and then just stepping on me for good measure. But it's okay. What's in the seas? Under the sea. Welcome to the English. Thanks, Vincent. Yeah, and looks that makes sense. Did you realize trading millets? Oh, thanks, Fish Doctor. You're amazing. Give me a quick scalp, someone. Down to view up, maybe? I'm rolling in Q5 cons. Not to mumble too much, my Eminem might make a diss track. Wow, David! Wow. Fish Doctor, you're amazing. You get specific whoop-de-whoops. This right here is for Fish Doctor. Mad love, thank you. You're amazing. Thanks for the support. Oh, come on, Wi-Fi, just do me a favor.
Emotional damage.
For what now? What did I do? Someone made a trade track about her. You mean the song on Discord? It was cute. I really liked it actually. I was like, this is the jam. Oh, okay, damn. Called that wrong. I was like, this might stay bullish. Nope. Wait. That's decent. Let's see how it reacts off of the 3 a.m. This could be headed back down to VWAP. Two out there. This is what I want to see. Oh, it's right at the high volume node, so no, that would not be ideal. I got Post Malone stuck in my head. I mean, this would be a very quick scalp to the sell side. That's what I mean. To what though, Jordy, is what I mean. Yeah, and? Fish Doctor? I once had mad love, but now I've gone mad with no love. Godhouse, are you good? Oh, God, how are you? I haven't seen you. I play that song on Discord every time you TP. Do it. Diego! Oh, what's up? How you doing? Okay, so tap back into opening range. Has some low volume nodes up. React around there. quite enough of a rejection. Long and key pullback away from green and red. Oh, so again, why? Doesn't matter as long as you can clearly see the difference between areas. That makes sense. Jordy, yeah, maybe we'll hop on a call there. Let's see. Make agreed. What are we looking for at the London session today? Diego, all good questions, but there we go. Okay, bulls are indeed winning. Bulls for the win. Tap back into opening price. What time are we looking at? 3:39. Okay. Why are we always stuck in a range? I'm so frustrated. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Damn, I'm almost back to break even. Drop, go down. Martin, what's up? Okay, just lurking before sleep. Give me a... Aww! Guardhouse, you've got this. You've got this. What time is it there? There we go. Problem solved. No, Esty, I'm trading the Nasdaq. Well, I'm sitting here watching the Nasdaq futures. It's not lie right now. I am sitting here watching them Nasdaq futures currently. Gonna head off. Back to work, back up so I can head home. Aw, thanks, Lovey. I mean, Lovey. Cool. I think I've had too much coffee today. I may or may not have had an energy drink this morning. That energy drink may or may not start with an M. Anyways. And now coffee. You know what that means? Too much energy. Anyways. Thanks, man. That's what I was trying to... Oh, okay. Hey, Felix, what's up? Could I have a tip? I've run my own community a while back, over 300 people. I've been a free coach in trading for almost 2 years. Felix? Yeah? Cool. What's up? What's the tip?
That's what she said.
Sorry. In need more movement, please. Right. Yes, I'm fishing. Nice. Thanks, like. You're welcome. I got you. Enter 0.2 clip with minimum risk. 6 hours. English has lost the ball. Y'all are so mean to me. Wow, I can't. You guys, your memories are annoyingly good. Do you know that? Could it be my bunny worms? Yeah, my bunny worm flavored energy drink. Ew, that is so gross, Jordy. Okay, anyways, moving on. Anyways, that just happened. That'd be great. The third ever saw someone say lovey in real life before. Green M? No. Well, the Mariposa one, actually. Anyways. Don't do anything I would do, guys. Okay, wow. Aw, thanks, Jose. You are such a sweetie pie. Well, let's see. Right now, we just kind of stuck in this bob level, not gonna lie. But let's see. Maybe it breaks out. Make a tutorial on how to link a funded account to Tradevate and then Tradevate to TradingView. SD, I do kind of have one on how to get a prop and link it. I actually have 2 videos on how to get a prop. Both funding ticks, but funding ticks is no longer a thing. But I do have how to get onto Tradeify and then from Tradeify, Tradevate and then Tradevate TradingView. So yeah, there is actually a video if you want to check it out. I do have that. Not so much with the funded, but you pick the funded account that you want instead of picking the eval or challenge that you want. You pick the funded that you want, and then it kind of goes through the step of, now that you've got that, here's your Tradevate. When you're on Tradevate, go in and. So I actually do have that video. Yeah, you can check it out. It is in my videos. Doodle Original, what's up? Send help now. What did Debbie do? What did Debbie do? Debbie? Debbie. SD, yeah, I got you. What tradified payout? Oh. Sorry, my eyeball. Your mindset is great. You're able to stay detached from your account bans, or at least it looks like you are, which is great. Traders benefit from less time on the charts. That's interesting. What makes you say that, Felix? I haven't heard that before. Less time on the charts. Less time on the charts? I'm gonna make a poll. Debbie being a baddie. What did Debbie do? What did Debbie do? Each decision you make within the market does affect your mental more than you know. Be able to make 2 to 4 good decisions a day within the market. The more time you spend, the more your mind also justifies what it sees within the market. But isn't that a good thing? If your mind can subconsciously start to identify things. Like I've found, maybe it's just me, I've found that even when there's an A+ setup, my brain goes, nope, I don't like it because maybe there's a pattern recognition, who knows. And then it doesn't actually work out and I go, aha, I knew it. Or maybe there's a B setup and I'm like, I really like this. And it works out. But won't that come from experience on the charts? Felix, sorry, I'm not disagreeing. I find this quite an interesting conversation. I'm on Debbie's side. What happened? Yo, guys, what did Debbie do? Hey, Dodo, what's up? Lotta. Oh, wait. Dodo, we're all so confused. You're just being sweet, Debbie. It hurts. She didn't share the cheddar. I'm assuming you meant cheddar, not cheese. Nor say hi. Oh, disgusting. No, because it'll start to look for reasons to trade. A good trade needs context. So the first decision you make within the day is most likely to be the best one. Interesting. Yeah, because you be ignoring. I said hi. Oh, Dodo. I've been ignoring you. I've been ignoring you. I'm so sorry if I have. I apologize. When trading in QES, that decision is New York. To be fair, I trade both. David, I don't think we met. I'm Jordy. Kind of big deal around here. Jordy is close to being one of the original. Close. Not quite, but close. Actually, Jordy, when did you join? Do you remember? I actually cannot remember. I think the hard thing about trading is doing nothing and waiting for your setup, and doing nothing when the market isn't doing what you want it to do. I agree. Oh, and Louis begs to differ. This can be an very interesting topic. Less or more time on the charts. Okay, wait, I'm actually going to do a poll because I'm genuinely curious about what you guys have to think about this. Okay. So. What is better? Not caps lock. So it's quite a basic one, but you get the idea. Just because this is a very interesting topic. I think it's an interesting topic, at least. Would this have even been a decent trade to take? Not really. Wait. This is in range. Yeah, this is low-key stuck in a range. Could maybe argue that there might be a little bit of a shelf there. Could want to come back and tap into this. What does this look like on the 5-minute? We are still stuck at... Oh, no. Look at this absolute BS on the 5-minute. What is this even? Ooh. We're kind of stuck in this higher volume node. Okay, let's see where we break out of it. I know it frustrates people when I don't take trades, but I will much rather sit on my hands in a chop and discuss things like what's better, more or less time on the charts, then jump in and waste, right? That's potential wasted capital for no reason. Wait, what's up? How are you doing? What's up, Pillow? How are you? Debbie, what's the mozzarella? Oh, good grief. Last year, July-ish. Wait. Ah, my back. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I need to see where my dog is, and this is going sideways. And then I think it's nearly time to do fun fact of the day. Okay. I may or may not have too much energy. See you in a bite. Goodness. Okay, so yes, Perry is 100% lying on my folded clothes right now. Little butthead. Anyways, at least he's cute, so it's fine. And it is now hot again. It was so nice and overcast, and I got excited. I thought, yeah, today's gonna stop it. Today's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna be able to ride my horse and no. Anyways, back to the charts we go. That's for sure interesting. Okay, I've missed a lot. I see we're talking about Debbie's cheese for some reason. I don't know. Debbie, why did you not share cheese, apparently? I got mine anchored to London, open 3 AM. Wait, Geordie? I got mine anchored to London open 3 AM. What's this for? Your volume profile, Geordie? It's energy. Anyways. I'm so sorry. I feel like I've missed a bucket load of I've missed a bucket load of messages, so I do apologize. If I have not responded to anyone, please just send the message again. Or super chat. You really want my attention, that's one way to do it. Anyways. Goodness. I have a pre-owned camera. Ooh, that sounds cool. Short scalp looks attractive. Dollars winner, right? And people judged me when I said maybe a short scalp is the way to go, but whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Geordie, she's code for something. It kind of sounds like it. Starting out a lot of time decision daily market is not a good thing. Yeah, VP levels. Just chucked it on 3 AM. When we extend, we can see it changing in live time. Interesting. Let me quickly just do this. So just the 3 AM candle. Literally like there, and then it extends like that. Is that what you did? 3 or 4, 1 to 3 trades and done for the week. But you're the only cheese I need. Wow. Confidence is everything. I love it. Extras, Mr. What's up? You're being weird. I feel like that is Old God's thing. It's why he fits in with this community, because he weird. Anyone that's weird fits in pretty decently here, just if we're being honest. So I guess these low volume nodes kind of match up. Oh, this one does too. Interesting. If we can get out of this range, I will be happy. Woohoo! Nope, maybe not. It isn't easy being cheesy. Wow. Oh, they keep talking about your cheese. Hey, Danny, what's up? Right, am I the cheese? Yeah. Shoot, my mind totally flipped once I dedicated myself to coding. No lag indicators for myself. Skype mind. The scalp mind is totally different. That's why I feel like I can graduate to swing trading and go hiking. That's cool. I am well aware I'm weird. Name. Cuban hacker, what's up? Less. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Oh, actually, I say interesting. So less time on the charts is winning, but it's basically a 50-50 split. Literally. Less is winning by 55% and 56%. Ah, wait, now that I said it, it jumped up to 58%. Seriously, guys, this 50-50 divide is a little bit mind-blowing. Seriously. Man, I wish I could scalp. I tried and went back to my higher time frame trading. Really? Why is that, Blade? Out of curiosity, just not for wee. Here we go. Okay, let's not be hasty. I've done it before. I'm like, it must touch Asia high. No, it does not have to do anything. But this is pretty decent. Might tap into Asia high first though before it comes back down. Whoop, there it is. Okie dokie. Low volume nodes around here. Yep. Okay, it has, whoa, okie dokie. There we go. So now it's taking out the imbalances. Is it going to continue up, and away? Made a volume imbalance right at this bob level. How does it look on ES? Well, on the plus side, ES and NQ for once look pretty same, which does not happen quite so often. Here's some low volume nodes. Stop loss is right by those other low volume nodes. Hey, Shadyfied, what's up? If the POC shifts higher, then equals solid shelf and we rally. Ideally speaking. Ideally speaking, 100%. Like looking at this, pretty solid retracement back into bub level. If being the keyword here. Maybe I must also check this out on the higher time frame. I mean, this is add some low volume nodes. Do you have a higher node as protection? This is just below. Okay. What does this look like on the 5 minutes? Check the higher time frames, quick sticks. I mean, it's not bad. It's just if it decides that it wants to go back into range. This is right by these lower volume nodes, though. Scalpers have high mental tolerance. Might buy the retest of Bob, might not. Whatevs, you know, whatevs. If it can just come up and tap back in here, that would be great. The fact that I took out Asia high, though. Okay, let's see, 15 minute. Also looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Only problem is where the stop loss is. Okay, back to the one. Okay, let's not overthink it. Do we have 3 confluences? 1, 2. technically the low volume nodes. You can argue. Okay. I forgot James. Who's James? I didn't really mark out the value lines. Wait, which value lines? I enjoy left my thought process. Until 8% I saw the fast push up and just took profit to it. No! Ethan, I'm so sorry. It does. It happens though, right? It's all part of learning. Why are you guys overcomplicating trading more than the Wall Street Krakens? Mighty sorry, bye. 2 minutes to open. Oh shoot, it's nearly 4. Rounding numbers through brokers. Ready for the institutional. Back. It's way easier. Jan, what's up? I'm gonna call you Jan. Well, that was kind of fun. I'm a race now. No, God, how fun! Got in, let's go. Huh, okay, it tapped into that low volume node, and apparently that's where we are rejecting off of. Seriously? Damn, that's a good stocks. I know it's Jan. I am South African. I am aware that it's called Jan. But that's why I said Jan. Because I think it's funny. Sorry, I know that's rude. I'm so sorry. Jan Kleinhans. No, it's not Kleinhans. Gold is amazing. I'm waiting for my entry as well there. I'm kind of curious about the gold rush levels. How do they look? Who's using the gold rush levels on gold right now? Oh, we're at a little bit. Oh, sugar, honey, iced tea. Wait, let me just quickly block everything for a second. Check the 4 hour. Okay, haven't quite. Oh, okay, we kind of tapped into the shelf here. Let's see if it goes up higher. Into this order block at least. Oh my gosh, are we seriously going back into this damn range? Please, people. Please. Dice, please. Sorry, dice, please is from D&D. That was just my nerd coming out right there. On the 1 hour, this could be quite a nice point of interest, all the way up to 940 is a point of interest for it to tap into this volume imbalance before a little bit of a retest, if it wants to fill this entire fair value gap though on the 1 hour. 15-minute looks... yeah, 940. Again, if it's going to fill this entire imbalance, if it's going to have a little bit of rejection, it'll probably be at this volume imbalance. Oh yeah, it's the new daily opening gap. Do we think we're going all the way back up to the new daily opening gap? That's a pretty solid freaking trade if it is. Huh. Who has the new daily opening gap as their target? Because that seems potentially freaking solid. If this comes back down, we could be in good hands. Shoot, man. I don't know if this is gonna come as far down as I would like it to go. Don't try and catch a runaway train, but... I mean, there's a low volume node here. But there's a low volume node there. Look here. Okie dokie, I see runaway train it is. Go honey iced tea. The volume balance there. Like I said, I'm really trying to see where a decent bob to bob could be. Louis, you know about dice, please? Yes, Louis! One of us. One of us. Sorry, I haven't been responding, people. That's my target. Nice. Hey, JP, what's up? Cheers, Maddie. Yeah, the volume imbalance is your target. Nice. What's the volume profile indicator called? That's basically it. Fixed range. Fixed. Oh my goodness. Fixed range volume profile. Hey, Trade Delicious, what's up? How's the what's it called? Sugar honey. How's the series going? I guess we call it a series. It's basically should actually maybe just start filming it. A reality trading series. I think that would be pretty cool. Just saying. No? I think that would be awesome. Just make it a reality series. People would go crazy about it. Aaron, I'm down to run. What is life, bro? There's no curvature to Earth. Are you a flat earther? You know what? This now seems like a good time to do fun fact of the day. Are you? What is life? What? Did I read that correctly? Remember when you made me a short? Cuban hacker? James! Oh my gosh! What the heck? Sorry, that was like, what do you mean a while back? That was like months ago. What the heck, James? Where have you been? Alex, what's up? I was in a long night. Did you? Wow, that's wild. What am I looking for when trading London trades? Make sure you get your little buddy involved. Okay, the mental age, I'm gonna say this once and once only. Send that same message. And I might lose my it. What's it writing? Horse and trading London and New York. Damn, I can't believe you're back. That is amazing. What the heck, man? Where have you been? Is this seriously going bob to bob again? This kind of looks like it is going to go bob to bob. But to come back and tap into... Oh, it's quite a far retracement for it to do that, though. I don't know if we have enough volume for it to come and do that either. Only problem is the stop loss is right in this low volume node. One, two. I don't know if I should try the full range or not. I feel like if it is... Have you heard of last day's value area? Not exactly what that... When trading, I'm looking for trades. I mean, yeah. Trying to catch trends, use it from the bottom. I'm looking... Oh, goodness gracious. The mental edge, please don't spam. Dave, I think a quick scalp down and then I'd put 2 ticks under... What a minute. No full range. Hey, Dom, what's up? Ninja? Hey, how you doing? I'm trying to decide if I use the full range. Probably the full range, hey. The full range would be better. Okay, let's check the full range. There's some more I can grab here. Pop into the volume imbalance. We have these low volume nodes. Okay, if it comes back down here, let's see. I'm gonna place this. I don't know if it's gonna retest this far down. If it does, awesome sauce. If not, It is what it is. Yeah, I'll make it too. I don't think. Well, no, let's see. Bunch of low volume nodes. If it goes into the higher nodes, I'm screwed. But if not, we should be good to go. Do these kind of correlate? Yeah, these low volume nodes here correlate. Bouncing off of here and $9.40 would definitely be a proper point of interest. Yeah. Is it going to end up getting there though? Probably not. No, I feel like this range is going to be too big. I might not be able to get a trade in. Oop. Okay, let's see. Sure, if it comes down with some force, it might be. Ninja, to be fair, I only started forward testing it yesterday, so I'm not like amazing with it yet. Hey, hi live, what's up? How you doing? We can see this movement in the morning. Right now, TP at resistance. How does a daily candle form if bullish opens, set a low, expand to the high, and closes at the wick? Cameron, what? Sorry, I feel like I have to read that slowly. I feel like it makes sense, but my brain's just not comprehending. So how does a daily candle form? If bullish opens, sets a low, expands to high, then closes, let the wick form, then trade the body. Are you speaking specifically daily, right? We have noticed New York session tomorrow. We will see a pump and dump very strong. I feel like usually when the market trades into last day value area, it will start to fall. So we should see higher price overall right now. Market's going higher for the day, probably catching the stack. Interesting. It opens first the lows and high, and then closes or open low. High. Try the SVP instead of FRVP. Why? What's the difference? Well, yeah, out of curiosity, how's it better? Ninja in ages, even your hair looks long and amazing. Thank you. Ninja, you're such a sweetie pie. And on around, I'm kind of made a shipping coming. Just different time frames. Okay. Interesting. I'm gonna have to really watch that. You decide a trade and we take it to. Really isn't a bad idea, but okay. Guess what's up? Might take a short of 916 at fair value gap. Ooh, interesting. Load and lock. To be, like I said, for me, a decent point of interest would be the 940, but if it's going to get that high up is a different freaking story. Let's see. So, Maddie, you were thinking this range. Let's see how this works out. Yeah. Maybe this would have been the range to take. For me, this one was just better. This is not really A+. That one was more A+. Try and catch the expansion of either 1 hour candle or 4 hour candle. We're going to 915. You have 20. You have 20 accounts. 20 accounts? my awesomely saucy shorts. What chart is this? What's up? This is the Nasdaq futures. The MNQ, to be super specific. I guess there's the slow volume node here. I feel like the I don't like using the G word, but I feel like if I take this one, it's a little bit more high risk. But that being said, if it comes this far back down, it could be a solid rejection. Let's see. Got my market order down already. Nice. Be a little high. Interesting. Yep, so I can waste one. Rude. I have 14 accounts, so it's fair. Oh, the G word is gambling. Doing that discount premium for yes. Here, there. See what's up. Thanks, Felix. Let me go check it out. Am I gonna wait? Let's see what's happening here. Let's see if it rejects. If it pops into this fair value gap and rejects up, it could be decent. Tap into there. You'd want to see it go a little bit lower. There we go. Okay. Rejection off of there. I said this is why this was not an A+ setup. Oh well. Let's see how it reacts. Maybe it does start to pop back up. Interesting, Ninja. I mean, it makes sense. Ooh. Best time on the chance once you master the strat, maybe best time to execute them. Oh, interesting. How long you been trading the less you're on the charts? 850s I'm taking long. I mean, yeah, that's what I got. Let's see if it goes down there or if that was the trade, but yeah. React off of there again. Life is a gamble. I mean, we all being played, you're not wrong. You look like you smell like shampoo and conditioner right now. I mean, I did have a shower this morning, so I would hope so. I would hope so. Yeah. I do. I will be back. I mean, I did tell you not full range. Yeah, but I preferred the full range one. Dollars winner, you're in the longs. I said a limit order there, so let's see. I mean, here's my limit order. This is what I have set up. Yeah, that's literally my setup right now. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. That's... oh, wait, maybe it's bad. Oh well. Like I said, let's see. If I was wrong, muddy, I will admit that. If I'm not wrong, I don't know. If I'm not wrong, let's see. Long in both now. I'm risking 3k. Damn! Just bought the dip to 915. Okay. Rejected off of these two. Awesome. Let's see if it continues the rejection or not. How's it look here? Isn't that low volume node? It did tap into the higher volume node. Interesting. Okay, well, either way, I'm hands off now. I would sit your top low. What do you mean? It's okay for me as I'm risking profit. Oh, there we go. No glasses look better, I'm gonna be honest. Well, to be fair, my everyday life, I look. Ah, you little mother fluffer. It always does this, it always catches my damn hair. It's so mean. This is how I look every day. I actually only use my glasses when I'm trading. I hate wearing my glasses. So for me, glasses are only for while I'm trading. 90% of the time. This is it. Can I see anything? Yeah, I can see things. They're just an itty bitty bit blurry. Maybe that's good. Maybe I'm getting too fixated. Maybe it needs to be a bit of a blur right now, and I'm just like, blur is good. Blurry, maybe I'm not gonna fixate on details. Maybe that's the way we do it. Except then I can't read chat with me like this. Brings out her eyes. Was but a little scalp. What's up, James? How you doing? What if you place your limit in between? What do you mean between? Oh, you, buddy. I know your life. That's terrifying. Give me 2 seconds. Okie dokie. Okay, well, while we're waiting for this to kind of low-key make up its mind, let us do fun fact of the day. Give me a second. Fun fact of the day. Okay, that's cool. Here we go. Are you guys ready? Oh, look at my little blonde streak. Anyways, fun fact of the day. Let's do this. Shoo. Okay, this is the 3rd day in the row. No, this is the 3rd fun fact in the row. Bird. Okay, let's try English again. This is the 3rd fun fact in a row. There we go. Nailed it. That has to do with space. So, Jupiter has more than 95 known moons, and with improved technology, we continue to discover even more orbiting the giant planet. 95! That's insane. Okay, there we go. Fun fact of the day. It's to do with little itty bitty Jupiter and all of its damn moons. It's just out here mooning everyone. Anyways, I go back to the charts. Oh, like I said, I think I'm funny. Clearly I'm not, but I think I am. Seriously, why is it so blunt today? Anyways, moving on. When I take my glasses off, it's like I'm looking through a dirty glass. My eyes are bad. What a rejection, yeah. It was not money in the bank. This wouldn't have gotten me anything, Muddy. Literally. This didn't even go and hit partial. That's why I have this set up. This would have been entry. They would have been partial and they would have been a win. It hasn't even tapped into that. I wouldn't have gotten anything. For a short, the short was a B setup. The short wasn't great. You could argue maybe taking shorts down to my point of interest for an entry. Because I guess that one would have worked, but that's about it. Otherwise, this would be headed for stop loss. This is where my stop loss would have been for this trade. And it's on its way. Chad Kerber. Well, that was funny. Thank you. Nice. Lots of imbalances below entry. Why not set limit after price dips there and reverses up? Hello, this one here. I want to see it reject off of the imbalances though. That's the point. I'm not in this trade. I'm in this. Hello? Yes? No? Maybe? To be fair, Trump dropping nuggets every time he speaks. He said oil would tank and soon they'll open it tanked. Easy money. Interesting. I mean, that's one way of looking at it. Get him into your favor, I guess, in a weird way. Still hasn't tapped into this low volume node. Let's see. So, Ganymede is the largest moon, but strong evidence points to vast subsurface oceans of liquid water beneath the ice, potentially more water than all of Earth's oceans. Really? The waves on Jupiter must be insane to surf, can I just say? Can you imagine? Dead. Anyway, which means it's the closest place to Earth where we think there is extraterrestrial life. I have to ask what's. Oh no, no. Let's not even attempt to go into that one, JP. They also manipulate people into false trades though, just to sweep their liquidity. Look at the 1 hour fair value gap. Okie dokie. Let me just do this. Yeah, that 1 hour look. What the one is rejecting off of? Or this one that it could potentially go back into. But there we have a little bit of a volume imbalance on the 1 hour as well. Interesting. Rejected off of there only once it tapped into some volume. Bit of a rejection down. Yeah, maybe this goes lower. Maybe this goes back down to BWAP and then continues back up. It is possible. I am risking half. Shoot, how bad would my balance be? Is this a risky trade? Maybe. It is going slow down. You want to see slow down, fast up. Going to wick 0.2. This 0.2? Or this 0.2? Fairy friend still no. I don't know what show, but I have a trade set up. AM Star, I'm not in, no. I'm not in a trade. Here's my buy limit. I'll be breaking all my profitable models. I broke my 2 main strats because they've been taking long streaks of losses during New York Open this year. Yeah, Ninja. Any predictions on DXY? Unfortunately not. Who trades DXY? Any predictions? I'm thinking it's reacting off the 50-minute fair value gap and will go down. Oh, look at big money! No, Casper. Let's see. There's all these low volume notes. This could either be a banger or it's going to so happily come and destroy me. But let's see. Oh shoot! It did tap into this order block over here. So that would have been a loss. Just FYI, if I had taken that range, it would have been a loss. The only thing that's kind of keeping me like, okay, is the fact that this is a slow grind down. Stay slow. Stay slow. As I said slow, it looked like it was picking up momentum. Normally when it comes to, just from what I've seen, normally when it comes to bulls, it's a slow grind down and then a spike back up. If it's too fast to the sell side, then I get a bit like, Cat, you think it's going to drop? Trent, oh, I can? What's up? I understand your setup. Banking on that gives to respect and a push long. Let's hope so. That, and there's this volume imbalance, and I have my Bob level, which is kind of like an institutional level. And I have the shelf, which is kind of another order block, so... Either it's... Okay, well, we're in this. Either it's good or it's going to be a disaster. There's basically two options, but either way, we are now in this thing, so... And it has to climb oh so far up. And that's how I'm gonna have it. Either it works or it doesn't. Let's see. So we're at 30 to 40 minutes. What? Thank you, Blade. I appreciate that. Let's see if it rejects. I want to see proper rejection off of this low volume node. Otherwise, maybe going break even. Let's see. Okay, so it did make a little bit of a volume imbalance. How does this look on the 5 minute? Okay, 5 minute, I want to see rejection off of here. If not... Go into the low volume node. A little bit better. Keep pushing though. Either way, whatever happens, it is indeed hands off. So. We a break of structure to the downside. Not really. I wouldn't quite call this break of structure, but sure. Okay, any here, maybe? Any place to maybe watch out for on the higher is a little bit of rejection off of here. You watch this level, 882. Okay. Oh, bags for days, you guys are so sweet, thank you. I've been saying it for the past 2 weeks that it's all downtrending. Martin, what is a total BS? I trade on 5 minute, 1 minute. I don't know how much lower to go. And down. How do you think moving stop loss to break even? Well, if it takes a solid point of entry and then starts going all funny. Oh, point of entry, not point of entry. If it hits a solid point and then starts rejecting hardcore. Whoopsie daisies. Let's see. 4 was... Where's 4am? There. Let's see. Did you see my question about the VP and how you use it? No, I did not, Ninja. Sorry, what's up? Aww. The volume imbalance was important. Thank you. Let's see. You outwitted me, young bad one. Thank you. Well, let's see. It's hands off. It's gonna sink then blow up. Sorry, wait. Am I a surfer? I'm learning how to surf. Am I good at it? No, but still. I like the entry here. I added one. Oh, thanks, Chad. Like I said, guys, I am actually hands off now. So, hit or miss. We're going. Tell me please, what is the confirmation on your strategy mean? Not confluence, but confirmation. Well, I mean, I just use my confluences, so... I guess by confirmation you could maybe say was the fact that it went slowly down. Some people might have a bit of an argument when it comes to that. You've added it and how you use it. Oh, a quick 30-second blurb, if you don't mind. So, I added it because everyone said you're kind of going blind without it, which I kind of understand. It kind of gives you a bit of an indication, especially with regards to stop loss and entry. Like those entries that just missed by a tick. It could be that a low volume node was here, for example, and my setup was just there. So it just tapped into the low volume node and then went up. So if there's like situations where the entry could be at a better, like this entry was actually before this low volume node. So I was like, okay, so if it is going to go down to a lower volume node, it will tag me in before. So that was basically that. So it was to help with those, you know, just ticked in or just ticked out of trades as well. If the stop loss is right by a low volume node, that's kind of like an indication that maybe not the best idea for that stop loss to be there. So I did some back testing the other day, and yeah, people always suggested volume profile, so I thought, let's give it a go. Yesterday I kind of forward tested it. Not bad. I know yesterday was the first day forward testing it, but it did give me a bit of an indication of, okay, this worked out, this didn't work out. I see that it did respect these levels or it didn't respect these levels, which is a good sign. Awesome source. Let's now move on. Let's carry on. A good surfer never says they are good. No, literally, I've only surfed like 3 times. And I'm teaching myself. If that gives you an idea. So, you know, I'm still like in the white waters, standing up for like 10 seconds, going, yay! So many things have changed, so I started many different strats, not even simple inside, but 87% win rate on high stakes. So back to the previous question I asked about you using fair value gaps as confluences, because it's a low volume node. Is it not? It is. So it is a low volume node, but but it rejects off of the low volume nodes. Not always, but but that's also what I'm seeing. Like, does it solidly reject off of the low volume nodes, or does it go? So Hammer, I don't know if Hammer's still here. Hammer actually says that he goes high volume node to high volume node. But that was also interesting. I was like, okay. So, you know, it's a little bit of forward testing to be like, is this what it does? Is it doing high volume to high volume? Or is it going low volume back to low volume? Because I would assume it was low volume to low volume because that's where the imbalances are, right? So to be aware of where the low volume nodes are, like even like this here, oh shoot, where it rejected off of now, is quite an interesting point. And it's not by a fair value gap or anything, but you can see it properly rejected off of it there. But struggling... Oh, let me actually keep my mouth shut because I'm convinced that there's people that watch this and they're like, she said something. Hey, LP, what's up? The point of control is a great thing to take note of also. Interesting, why do you say that? Some Kiwi lad? Casper, are you shorting this? It was rejected at the low of yesterday's candle. From liquidity to liquidity. Nodes are kind of a mini test. What do you mean by like a mini test? That sounds weird, but elaborate if you don't mind. Anyways, but yo, LP, if you're looking for the good morning, come on, it's just morning.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay. Moving on. Casper, you allowed your opinions, but we're gonna move on swiftly. Oh dear. Evgenie, what's up? I'm in a short. My TP is your stop loss. Well, that's great. That's great, V. It can't show great area of support from the current trend. Come on, reject. Kind of stuck in this area. Oh well. Aw, thanks, Red Eye. That's sweet of you. Let's see how this goes. Still got these, still got these. Hasn't tapped into this volume imbalance. Just, well, now it has. Want to see a proper rejection off of there, which might not happen. Breaks the micro swing 1 to 3R. Volume is high demand. It's making boss my bots ball, then combined 72 win rate, but lot 20 still profitable. Full to Olga hedge fund. That's pretty cool. A little ride, but my buy entry is the stop loss. It wants to balance the imbalances. Offer me lamest terms. Do I trade AM sessions too? Oh, if you talk about New York, yes, I trade New York sessions too, if that's what you are asking. I've heard them say it's kind of like orb, but orb plus the power bar open. You call it bar 1? Is bar 1 not a international thing? Might go back up before hitting the stop line. Who knows, Louis? Who knows? Let's see. Either way, we are in this thing. Oh, no, no. It's not rejecting off of any of those levels I wanted to see it reject off of. If it doesn't reject off of here, I might close early. Let's see if it rejects off of there. If not, then it'll probably be the close. Reject, mother fluffer, reject. Nah. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Closing early. Oh no, not that. Oopsie daisies, I pressed the wrong one. Okay, either way. $74. Better than nothing. If it starts to come back in, I might enter for a stop, but save some extra capital. Let's see if it goes all the way down. So your entry, Louis, is down here, right? For a buy. It's going to my TP. Hey, Louis! But then finally head home. Aw, cheers, Nutty! This damn thing starts rejecting now. I'm gonna be like, are you serious? You know when you are convinced someone is watching? Hannah, I did enter. I exited a little bit early. Brother Bear. Good grief. The Tory Gate bookshelf will be mine. And Soldier Boy, come to Papa. Do I get in on this? I feel like I should. Let's see if it rejects here. If it continues up, I might get into this. Bob to Bob. Don't revenge trade. Do not revenge trade. Can I show my entry for the sort of setup? Yeah, please, go on, Pillow. Add a layer of confirmation for entry, like a displacement candle that confirms institution entry. I did. I did. Strategy, please. Give me a second, let's see. I did exit early. Because it didn't reject off of any of the levels I wanted it to reject off of. Oh my gosh. You know, sometimes I really hate myself. Clearly. 914 now, let's go. Let's go up in a few minutes. Actually, no, it's still 1 minute, 5 minutes. Traded where I should have entered. Doki, don't gamble. I'm not gambling. I'm questioning my life choices. There's a difference. See, now do I just take it one contract all the way up? Ride it the rest of the way up? Tapped in there, bit of a rejection. Down. Let's see. I think the next 15-minute candles. Plan your trade, trade the plan, and stop loss LTP. Well, this is fun. This is fun to watch right now. This is so much fun to witness right now. Interesting. What does this look like on the 5 minute? Oh, the 5 minute rejection. Oh, that 5 minute rejection was the one. Shoot. This is definitely going bob to bob. If this retraces again. Then this is the one. Entry back at the same point. Just took out these, haven't tapped into there. This is still a low volume node. Low volume node. Better, but we're not creating anything there. Price made lower low on the way down. There's too much of a value gap at the point of interest. I would wait for price to make small higher high to confirm bullish bias, then buy like now as I type. Interesting. But it still is not making... Well, let's see if it makes a proper higher high. No. Okay. That's why I did the opposite instead of jumping in. There's a value gap right at your entry. What, on the 5 minute? Oh, right here. Let's see, but now this is coming down too strong. But I do think it'll blow through it. Let's see. Right below, just below the 0.5. I know, that's what I'm kind of looking at. This is a very strong push down. That being said, here's the low volume node. High was created. Come on, here's the low volume node right here. One. 2, 3. Enter when price passes green candle on way up. So what, when it's here, you enter there? Hello, is that what you do? After that retracement, you want to see rejection of this fair value gaps. Yep. Could be going into a squeeze, it's gonna pop off. I have an indicator that shows you all higher time frame information. It just saves actual checking the higher time frame. Interesting. What the heck did that bounce off of? Huh? So Pillow's entry would be here, correct? Where'd Pillow go? Yes, interesting. I'm trying it for one. Out of curiosity. Literally purely out of curiosity. I know that's bad. Stop loss below. Actually, that's on a low volume node. Like stop loss has to be a little bit further down. And TP over here. Let's see how this reacts now. Stop loss just for a little swing low. You can enter there, to be honest. Probably take one at 900 and other at 914. Why 914? What's happening at 914 that is so important? Like for me, that 940 level is pretty solid. Still think it's very interesting about that, but still. Three ticks under. Well, yeah, that's kind of like 3 ticks. Okay. Now, let's see where this goes. Ethan, why did I put my TP there? That's where the volume imbalance is on the higher time frames. This for me is a solid point of interest. It's right by the new daily opening gap as well. That's sweet and simply it. It's a new daily opening gap. It's where volume imbalance is on all the other higher time frames. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I know. A lot of people are keen on 914. That's just where all of these are. Okay, there is a bit of resistance over there. I get it. I get it. Do you think it's gonna push through the resistance? Maybe not. Hey Stam, what's up? How are we doing? How are we doing? Okay. It's gonna fly through 914, you think so? It's more like don't blow the account right. Just like, Soldier Boy, don't what? I want to see that 24930, right, Emma? Thank you. I feel like 24930 is solid. Well, mine is 939. It's right by the 940. It's right by... Wait, where's the 930 at? Interesting. So you think it's going to go a little bit higher. I'm still quite keen on it going up there. It is what it is, though. Let's see. Yeah, sure, Debbie. Go for it. Hey, Roman Empire. What's up? What's email on this account? I'm trying to pull a smart... Plus 1k today, time to go eat breakfast and wait for... Hey Jabez, what's up? How you doing? or take profit. I prefer once this inverse will be performed in the opposite direction. I'll take it. Most of the time it catches 1 to 3 hour before an inverse fair value gap shows up. Interesting. Yeah, I don't use PD arrays, Sam. No, I have not had a payout yet. It's going to miss the wall. What do you mean it's going to miss the wall? What does that mean? No, it's not 48 flat because I went up a little bit, so it does do end of day drawdown. So I think it's 48,300 and something now. So it's right at the verge of blowing this account. Just saying. That face emoji walks with AJ. That is hilarious. That is too funny. Let's see how this goes. Thanks, Maddie. Kiss the wall. Damn autocorrect. I was like, what? Louis, sad. Why sad? Oh, yeah, because I'm on the verge of kissing this account bye-bye. Yeah, a little bit, but it's fine. Looks like the 50-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour are reversing. What, to the bear side, Cameron? Is that what you're saying? What you're saying is I'm cooked. Yes? Is that what you're saying? I think you can bring it back and pass it. Yeah. What firm is this account with? I'm with Top 1 Futures currently. Just some Kiwi lad. Emma, like I said, it's on the verge. Yeah, I think I'm like $300 or less away from blowing this. I can verify that Deb's indicators are pretty legit. Nice, Ninja, okay. The chances are reversal candles. No, Cameron! Don't be a native Nancy! Damn! Oh my goodness, I'm being yelled at.
Emotional damage.
Good grief. I promise you, that's another person here because of this damn human being. I mean, this is one way to make sure I don't touch it. I'm gonna quickly see what that is, so I have to walk away. Hands off. Yep, just the garbage guys coming to pick up the garbage. Whee! Discipline is the key to trading success. Even the dog is upset, damn! Anyways, game name. Game name? You think this is a game? Definitely not a game. Hey Tyler, how you doing? I'm kind of surprised to see you do what you do, but I'm super proud of what you're doing. Trading in civilization. Aw, thanks, Time. Sending my help from Tel Aviv. Thanks. Appreciate it. You have to say, oh, okay. Bye, la vie. Good grief. Emma. Is that now the new thing? I feel like it's the new thing. Huh, we're low-key stuck in a deciding point right now. Made a bunch of recall yesterday, nice. Risk management is most important. What instrument am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be specific. Yeah. Yeah, nice. That is amazing. Phew, shush. Sorry, that thing's making noise. I trade guitars and sometimes violins, but the most expensive is pianos. Nice, I have a love-hate relationship with MNQ. You know what? Recently it feels like a hate-hate relationship with MNQ. That's where I'm at right now. Hate-hate. Just hate-hate. So that's why people keep asking on the Vert stream it's cut off. Yeah, I know. Unfortunately, Ninja, there's literally no way for me to fix it without the screen being this itty-bitty. And out. Okie dokie. Have we blown this account yet? No. How have we not blown this account yet? I'm low-key shocked. How? I mean, we're on our way. 610.90. I do not understand, but whatever. No, and that needs to be a full stop. I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. Do 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 do. Oh wait, I have to also wait. Close that, because that could be. Ooh, maybe that could actually be amazing. Imagine that's the sell limit, it just hangs down, except it's just not getting there. Interesting. So wait, let's see. Is this what that was the entry there? This was entry. Would have been back down to entry point. Let's see where this now heads. What part of the globe am I? I'm from South Africa. What's up? Okay. Hate. You're the one making decisions. I beg to differ. I am convinced that there's someone out there. Tomorrow's another day. Oh, thank Fox. Oh, thanks, Louis. But Hey, Gonzo, what's up? Do I trade? No, I do not. Yep, I was right. It's in the squeeze. Yeah, it looks like Louis. Ugh, it's fine. On to the next. Oh, it did tap into this low volume node again. Huh. Well, I say again, it tapped into the low volume node. What did this reject off of? This low volume node by the looks of things. Tapped into the higher, now going back down. How does it look here? It's kind of stuck between these 2 points, so interesting. Tip back down. Louis, didn't you say your entry was around here? No. Yes. Yes. It was around here, right? Wonder if it's gonna go further down. Okay, that was a big drop. Upwards, trend below, downward, trend above. Louis, yes ma'am. Oh, do you still have it? What broker or platform do you use? I'm currently with Top One Futures. And I'm on TradingView. There's a short opportunity in gold later during the New York session and around part 2 target extreme low of the day. Interesting. I believe you, it's fun. Wow. Looks like a 50% pullback from the push at 442. Interesting. So you think it's doing a 50% pullback from this range? Let's see. It's tapped into it. It low-key looks a little bit stuck there. Let's see. So get gooder. Oh, thanks. That was my entry. But wait, Louis didn't tag you in though. I'm confused. I'm confused now. What do you mean? Your man MNQ isn't treating you well, shorty. Soldier boy, that was... Wow.
Nice.
That is amazing. I just blew it. You made me laugh when you said... Oh, you didn't blow your... Thanks. Hi, I'm French. Explain what asset I'm trading. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. The micro. I'm trading the future. No, I'm kidding. It's not the future. Manual lowest low volume node. Oh, I got in manually at the lowest. Got it. Got it. So you're in a win. Maybe we need to start getting signals from you, Louis. That's what I'm understanding. Sorry, just journaling. Oopsies. Why is this song stuck in my head? I'm really hoping some people know what this song is. That would have been instantaneous stop loss. Okay, clearly them shorties aren't... Nice call, Cameron. By the way, where's Cameron at? 24839. Okay, where has it taken you out yet? Southern Cali. Not yelled at me. Yeah, honestly. What method am I using? Market auction theory. Hitch, what's up? What do I use to journal? I actually kind of use Discord to journal, which I know is a little bit weird, but yeah, literally every trade I take. Oh, I did not put these. I'm actually gonna put these under my accountability. Yeah, Dom. Actually, it's... Should I tell you? I'm too scared to even go in. It's 4,300 and something. So I am like $200 and something away from blowing this account. Oh well. Hi, Mikumi. Hi. My stop loss is just above the 24844. Oh, 844. Okay. So it's break even if it goes down, right? If it blows, am I going to change my strategy? Valid question. Not change, but I'm going to look into... I really want to start considering taking these bob levels a little bit more seriously. Even if they're just like on the side trades in between where you just place it and leave it until it reaches the level. That's not a bad idea. Hum that song in. Oh, Dad, when you put me on the spot, I panic. I get a little gain, like $40. Well, you know what? Don't come and rub it in my face. My 40 cents yesterday has now been taken away. My sincere apologies for anything last day. I'm still holding my trade. My stop loss is at low. Oh, interesting. Where's your TP then at, Pillow? Just blow the accounts. Something about the first account, you just need to blow it. Zero comfort? I low-key like that. You know, maybe today is the day and then I just start fresh tomorrow. Dude, I don't think market's gearing up to tank. Oh, it's okay, Louis. Like I said, at this point, I've kind of just accepted that maybe this is going to blow, then we try again. Right? I feel like that is 90% of trading. You do something. If it doesn't work, you go back to the drawing board and you try again. And then if that doesn't work, go back, maybe refine it, and then try again. Yeah, and I don't want to... What? Oh, no, it's... I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. I don't even know where that's from. I feel like it's from an animation, but I don't know which one. Like an old one. Where is that song from? That's gonna drive me crazy. Don't change your strategy, just add to it and develop it into your own. Thanks, Debbie. I know. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Lou. Yeah, that's it. I was like, no, I need to preserve it. I should have... The lesson is I should have actually waited for this candle to close. I got in when it dipped below the low volume node, but I didn't wait for it to close for it to actually reject off of it. So, you know, lesson learned with regards to that. But it looks like here... How is this set up again? Let's actually draw this again. This was the setup, so it did bounce back up, but now... Oh no, no wicks. This might continue back down. Has it taken you out? Not yet. Louis, are you still in this? I take that song. But like, why is it stuck in my head? Is it in animation? Your fear of blowing account makes you hesitate in a good... Oh yeah, 100%, Soldier Boy. Oh, 120,000%. Yesterday, New York session, there was no A+ setup until the very end. I did say I'm not upset for... Ah, Louis, did it take you out now? I did say I wasn't upset for not taking it, because yesterday was low-key a little bit of a forward testing day. Isn't it? Thank you, Ninja! It is from Shrek! Thank you! That was driving me crazy. Oh, thanks, Ninja. Oh, damn, that's impressive, Dom. Okay. Yep, hasn't... I think we're going for hourly fair value gap. That's only... There's nothing wrong with it. You know, the problem I have the same. We see the trade, we just had a loss and we skip the trade and it flies. Then we take the next one and it's a loss. Yes, that is it. That is exactly it. Because we go, ah, clearly it's working. Let's go for it. And then it goes, ah, nope. Blowing a funded is part of the process. Little wins over time add up 1% better each day, the same way you grow your account. Aw, Cameron, I like that. So when you pass the eval stage, like you said, you're fine and answered like you're doing, you won't regret it. Oh, thank you guys. A believer will reject from there and sweep the high. Interesting, Matthew. Why here? I mean, I see there's a little bit down here. Maybe no. That's a pretty solid push. To be fair, I think I did end up losing less than if I'd taken this full stop loss. Yeah, interesting. Okay. Projecting from the 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Yeah. Hey, Charlie Foley, what's up? How you doing? Freezing from the castle and they're walking back. No, that's not it. Is it? It is it! Yes! You're correct. When they made the frog and the snake a balloon for some reason, it was very weird. Anyways, you are correct. That is exactly the scene, Ninja. Blammo, I made 38 bucks. Louis, rub it in. It's fine. It's fine. Shorts or in play, yes. When was your last payout? Oh, I have not had a payout. This is my first funded account. Here I'm saying was like it's blown already. Might sweep internal liquidity on the 15-minute, then go all the way to fill the gap. Ooh, Sam, that could be interesting. Like all the way up to the volume imbalance on the higher time frames. Essentially the new daily opening gap. Let's see, it's oh so slowly going down, 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 but let us see. Like that one, that didn't have a wick, so it took out the wick there. Oop, for that old age. It's blown. No, not yet. It's like $300 away from being blown. Not even 200 and something dollars away from being blown. Samsung, yeah, this is Nasdaq. The micros to be exact. What's up? Oh, so you don't even need to pass it. We just need to get it back up. I guess. We just have to make sure that I do not die. Please update. I have. That is updated. That is the updated balance, Explorer. It was on 4869. So this isn't US, no, it's not US 100. Favorite movie? It's a bit of a toughie. I don't actually know what my favorite movie is. Hey, Jam Chill, what's up? Pump up the jam, pump it up. Well, you're sorry. Do not ask me why that popped into my head, but anywho. Anyways, let us continue. And do the opposite my thing reverse. See what happens. Soldier boy, you know what? I'm starting to convince. You know what? We should just. I'm gonna fade myself. Tony, you think it's a long from here. Now that's taken out that and tapped into the shelf. Let's see. No, 48.3 something K it will blow. I can pass eval super fast, but once funded, I trade way too cautious and end up blowing them up. High five. Bluetooth. High five. Do I like silver? No. Sorry, silver's terrifying. Gold is too much for me, and now silver's worse than gold. Love Technotronic. Technotronic. Is that a movie? Is Technotronic a movie? What is my favorite movie? I don't even know. I don't even know if I have a favorite movie, which is quite sad. I feel like I should have a favorite movie. Do you know what's always a banger and like a feel good? Especially, I mean, it's a little bit like, typical. Spirit, the original. I'm sorry, I refuse to even watch the newly made one. The original Spirit of the Cimarron. Or Stallion of the Cimarron. Far and Away used to be my favorite movie, and only because Nicole Kidman was so pretty when I was a kid. Try oil. Titanic. Really? Is Titanic your favorite? I've tried doing the opposite of what I see and think maybe I wanted to see, and I should counter that and still do. It does sometimes feel personal. I know it's not. I know we are itty bitty little teeny tiny fishes in the ocean. We're like this big. We're like these itty bitty little things floating around. But I swear sometimes it's personal. I know it's not. Guys, I know it's not. I know they do not care about us. Let's just be real. But limit active. Soldier Boy, are you in along now? Oh, they're the artists of Pump Up the Jam. Oh! No. Hey Aaron, what's up? Counter the counter! If I feel like I need to fade myself, then do not fade myself. Ooh, reverse psychology. I like it. Good luck. What indicators do you use there? What's up? So I have VWAP up and volume profiles also kind of up right now. Let's see if this goes. This Loki looks like an M formation that's kind of formed. I still think this might want to tap back into VWAP. Let us see. 4M was there without that. That was actually Oh, Save the Penny. What's up? How you doing? Pulp Fiction is probably my favorite well-rounded movie. Hey, Mike M. Oh well. Pop something on DC for you. Thanks, Ninja. Let's see. Oh, dag nab it. You best believe this damn song is gonna be stuck in my head now. Ugh. Oh well. Let's see. General chat. Let's see. What did you do? What did you do? Trading psychology, put together a while back when hating addiction, journaling, and learning about trading. Interesting. Thank you, Felix. And that's Felix's trade. Ninja! Ninja just posted on Discord is hilarious. Am I Shrek or Donkey in this case, Ninja? Just asking. Chooses one indicator, mind indicator. Try adding deviation bands to VWAP. I feel like, wouldn't that be too chaotic, Max? Out of curiosity. Now I've collected, my job here is done, so catch you later for New York. Finally, my short TP hit 60 points. Nicely done. You get a whoop whoop. It's a little bit of a salty whoop whoop, but you get a whoop whoop because it is deserved. Anyone that had a win that is in the green, whoop whoop. Anyone else that is... Whoa, what just happened there? What is it doing? Okay, anyways. If we break this level, London might be taking out Asia low. True. Explorer, did you really pay someone $2,000? Please say you didn't. Please say you didn't. Like, please. Guys, they are scammers on the Discord. Yeah, they are scammers on the Discord. Please be aware. I will not ask you guys for money. I only ask if you guys want to support. There's donations or... I don't know, you can use my code to get discounts that, yeah, I don't know. But I will not ask you for $2,000. Just be real. I think he's winding you up. I hope. Me too. Explorer, please say that you did not. My favorite is... Yeah, please, 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 please. Please. Just... Please, I really hope you are. I really hope you are. So, yeah. I did want to say something. There is a Discord, guys. The one and only rule for the Discord, and actually it goes both ways. Discord and even on the YouTube. Okay, the live, the YouTube, on the YouTube. Everyone just be respectful of everyone's different trading strategies and styles. Okay, if it works for them, it works for them. Okay, English has lost the building. Did I just say lost the building? Okay. Ow, I just poked myself in the eyeball. Okay, let's try this again. Everyone has a different trading style. Different things work for different people. It's just how the cookie crumbles. The world would be so ding-dang boring if everyone traded the same way. So if you do join, hundreds, just be respectful and love each other. That's about it. Sorry, I know that's like a bit of a, but that's the only rule. If you have advice, offer it politely, and if they do not take your advice, then you can be like, well, I tried. Problem solved. Yeah, that's about it. Oh gosh, guys, it's when will we celebrate everywhere? Oh wait. I didn't pay, but I was asked. Yep. I was said I'll get 20% weekly payment. Block them. Oh my goodness, block. Oh, guys. Clearly the brain is fried. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. What happened to the week? Where did the week go? When will you horse ride again? We want to see. Really? You guys want to see me ride? I mean, I go every single day. Blade, go for it. What's the question? You're gonna frustrate me. Careful. Danger. No, I'm kidding. What's up? What's the question? Guys, you can see if I'm really getting frustrated because I like take a minute and I count to 10 out loud. Then you know someone has thoroughly, like, aggravated me. So if I do not count to 10, then you know you're good. Okay. English misplaced the building and is now looking for it frantically. It's like when you lose your car in the parking lot and you're just like, oh my gosh, where is it? And you start to panic. Still running at loss, not going to close. Oh, Soldier Boy? Are you in a long or short right now? Capital Trading Concepts, what's up? You missed a really nice trade from that demand zone yesterday after you left. Really? Well, to be fair, I saw that the trade, the only A+ setup that I had would have been a banger, but it's okay. Do you know how small? Are you a tall person, Louis? Are you tall? No, wait, didn't we have this discussion yesterday? Did you tell me your height? Are you 5'9"? Someone said they were 5'9". Your clone asked me for 5k. Damn, they greedy! Good grief! What on earth do you need 5k for? Dev, I'm long 840, stop 810. I like that 5-minute wick bottom. We need something on before. Blade, the problem is I've done that before where I'm like, nah, it's bullish today, and then I've stuck with bullish, and I've actually right and royally screwed myself because of that before. To be fair, it was low-key this. I'm so determined that it's going to hit the new daily opening gap that I was like, nah, it's going to. No, it definitely will. It's going to tap into it. So that's... It's actually sometimes one of the issues is that I kind of sometimes get stuck on my bias. I know that I do that. I always do that. Forget where I've parked. It gets worse when... Don't say that. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah. I thought so. Okay, so 5'9". 5'9". Arabs are small. Laura, you are 6? Like 6 foot, or you're 6 years old? I'm assuming 6 foot. Because Arabs are not really tall at all. Skeletor, that's amazing. Hey Noah, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Okay, fair enough. I don't do 1 minute, so I can't say much. That's all I wanted to know. No, you're welcome, Blade. Yeah, no, that's basically... Yeah, I've tried the bias thing before. I'm like, no. And then I stick to my guns, and it has rightfully been an issue. Yeah. In Thailand, I'll be a giant 6'5". You're a 6'5"? Are you? The horses aren't tall. Not Arabs, no. That breed of horse is not tall. No, my horse is tall, but Arabs are not tall. The pony I'm riding is, we think, is part Arab. She's small. I thought they were tall and they meant for long distance, but they're not tall. They are definitely not tall horses. No, a short or long. I am hands off. I've had a loss. I'm gonna call it one loss because together they put, you know, around one loss. I've had a loss, yeah. Am I up these past few weeks? I swear I've seen you live 5 days ago and it was at 70k. It was definitely not at 70k, but I appreciate that. But no, I have not been having a good few weeks. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat that. It's been a rough go at it. Hey, Stefan, what's up? I'm tiny, I'm only 5'3". Oh, like the same height. That is awesome. Commercials with the long hair. Oh, you want a Clydesdale, Louis. To be fair, those are awesome. Tony, didn't you say long a while ago? Didn't you say long when it took out here? How far down is your stop loss? Also, where's Pillow gone? Pillow, did it take you out? We grow them big in Iowa. Long and black and long and back to blues. Good grief. I like the longs here. No. 6'1", yeah, damn. Yeah, Clydesdales, yeah. See me getting stuck. I'm like, yeah. Good now. Go long again. Just stop getting stuck. Leave it alone. Any giveaway here? Nah, only if more people use the code will there be giveaways. You're the only one that talks like Mr. Ed. Hey, OTT, what's up? Just next to here just because everyone out there giving out their height. That is awesome. Everyone, what's up? I did and didn't listen. What? Back up. Oh man, you guys are hilarious. Y'all are too funny. Do you know that?
Nice.
I'm just short. To be fair, I'm short and it works for me because it means I can ride ponies and horses. If I was tall, I would not be able to ride ponies, so... But this now is rejecting off there. Sorry, I'm losing it at what Ninja posted on Discord right now. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Oh wow. Wow, Ninja's on fire today on Discord. That was hilarious. Yeah, you're shorter than me. V, you saying you think it's gonna shorten out, guys? I've lost the capability to speak. This is actually not okay anymore. Oh no, my English has depleted and it's only Thursday. I still need English tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Maybe those scammers need to like ask for the premium pack for the English. Just kidding. Just kidding, guys. Please don't let the scammers fool you, but yeah, apparently English is depleted for the week and it's only Thursday morning. This is going to be rough. This is going to be so rough. Good luck to anyone that joins the New York session. It's only going to be chaotic. It's only going to get worse from here. I knew. What am I doing? There we go. If he lost, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What? Raffles. I'm betting on it, Andrew. Here for the chaos. Oh, I love it. I was 42 degrees here yesterday and it's 38 today, so yeah, I'm on fire. Ninja, damn, what the heck, man? That is not okay. How do you function? You can't function like a normal human being in that sort of conditions. In those conditions. There we go. You're from Morocco. That is so cool. How is Morocco? I've never been. To be fair, I haven't been to a lot of places. Guys, I might end up calling this early. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Do you know what? I haven't even closed the poll. But I see this is literally a 50-50. This poll is a 50-50. Huh. Less time on the charts actually wins, which is very interesting. I did not see that coming. I really did not see that coming. Okie dokie then. But, I mean, the one side had 178 votes and less won by 56%. And the other one had 160 votes and again, less won by 56%. Anyways. I mean, oh, it's good. Top on the list skyrocket. Can you explain your trade? Why did I take a long earlier? It basically was just an A+ setup, and I wanted to see it head for the new daily opening gap. It had more than 3 confluences. It actually had 5 confluences. Yeah, sweet and simply, it had 5 confluences. Aw, thanks, Stefan. You're awesome. Use Ninja's images, made a new one. More time on the charts means more losses and more you burn yourself out. OTT, I mean, that's valid. That is valid. That's why I chat to you guys in between, because then I can kind of like shut off for a little bit, not so focus on the charts for a minute and chat and then refocus and yeah. Andrew, you think everything is about to crash. Is this the gold chart? It is not. Help me recover your loss. English, help me first. Let's actually check the gold. Let's see how them gold rush levels are looking. Mother bluffer. Level to level. Interesting. That would have been a bang on gold. Look at that. Level to freaking level. Maybe I just have to start trading the bob levels on gold. Because, wow. Just, wow, look at this. Absolute garbage that's happening here. Oh, no wick. Let's see if it goes down to get it again. Huh. Okay, but gold looks like it's still pushing up. So gold is still going up, up and away by the looks of things. I'm not the best with gold though. These levels are actually insane. Okay. Louis, does the horse look like anything you have in real life? That's you after you blow this account, but that's not gonna happen. No, not at all, but that's hilarious. Oh, gosh. It does not. I mean, yes and no, just a different... He's a different color. Yeah, you're right. I might set my PC on fire. Anyways. Too funny. I'm calling it now. Worst day in the stock market. Alright, New York open. Nice, sure win, I think. That I don't know. 2 accounts, 1 for strategy and 1 for Bob. Debbie, yeah, it's not a bad idea. Golden, if you don't do you trade other than golden NQ. Oh, I basically only trade NQ right now. Yeah, the Bob is insane. Am I married? No. Why? Why? If I get rich, I'm buying the Wendy's stock. See, we don't have Wendy's here in South Africa. Just saying. Just saying. Sherwin? Just kidding. Okay. So, this is the move I've been waiting for. Basically. See the reaction off of there. No, but that's what it low-key did earlier. So it did want to respect, it just did not respect it. Here we go. Just had to come get out the liquidity, aka me, first. Let's see if this reaches my point of interest. You know, just to make me feel sad. No, I'm kidding. Well. Ba-bum. Nah, it didn't retest far enough down. It went A+, but did not come far enough back down. You probably have real food. What do you mean I have real food? She's married to these charts, Louis. There we go. Any black magic away from giving away your birthday. Maybe this is what's happening. Hey. Ah, the greatest empire. Maybe that's what's happening. Maybe someone was like, no. She needs all them bad lucks. And they were just like, get her. Only losses. Miss all the winners and only get the losers. TP1 on them longs hit. Nice, AJ. Whoop whoop. South Africa doesn't know about the biggie pack now. V, you're 21 years old. You're young. People do be costing spells. Wow. Hey, I'm good at you. How's it going? And if I touch you, come on. So chat, you are at 905. Okay. I have it there for chat. Let's see. Come on, 905. Let's do this. 905, time to be alive. I'm gonna go long if the 50-minute candle closes over the down close candles, okay? What's your advice on taking profit but wish you could have stayed in? What do you, wait, CTW, what do you mean by that? Oh, thank you, I appreciate that. USD is rising again, about to break the naughty downtrend, same as gold, they are highly correlated. That's interesting. I thought the USD and the gold kind of went against each other. Dev Josh, you have a trading? Nice! This is the Nasdaq futures, but the micros. King, I'm just gonna call you King, I'm not gonna say the first part. Anthony, what's up? I'm always at it. Am I always winning though? No, but this is why it's a very open, real, honest trading situation. I have amazing days. Well, haven't had any amazing days recently. I have good days and bad days. Some more bad than good recently, and that's fine. Losing streak blue account, not even a win, just losses till I blew the account. I learned a lot from it though. Oh, Debbie, that's where I'm at right now. But if I stayed right now, it would have been... CTW, do you do swing trading? You have to reverse think in gold. You aren't going to... Do the horses get a little bit more pep in their step when you start doot doot dit 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 dit? Well, I don't know. I don't really do that. Maybe I should start singing random songs while riding and see what they do. Hey, whoop whoop, Chad! Banger, nice. My long TP hit. Oh, can I just say? It would have taken me out first, though. Solidly. No, let's actually see something on the 5-minute. I'm curious about the full range. Okay. So it looks like the full range was the way to go, but I want to say basically impossible for me to have taken the full range. That's just a no-no. You know when there's like a ringing in your ear? We've had wins, I'm not joking. Every trade went against the signals and the trade honestly thought it's being chopped. Debbie, that's me right now. Anyways, wait, whoop whoop for anyone that got in on this and had a win. Whoop whoop, well deserved. Wait for it, 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 wait for it. Oh, for crying out loud. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. This is not 100% gonna be stuck in my damn head. There we go, there we go. This should now be good. Let's see. Work! What is wrong with you? Thank you. Good grief. There we go. Okie dokie, let's try that again. Whoop! There we go. Whoop whoop to anyone that had a win. That's what I was waiting for. When your ear rings, it means your eardrum cells died and a new one. Louis, that can't be real, right? Just took cells at 9:04 in M&Q. Really? So if you pass an eval, can you get multiple payouts on one account? Yeah, you can get multiple payouts on one account. Hey, Kobe Boyle, how's my David? That's how it's been. No, I'm kidding. It's good. It's been a good day. Trading, but I think I'm just so used to that by now. It is what it is. That's also just me being a negative Nancy. We're okay. We still have New York later today, and we still have tomorrow. And we still have an itty bitty bit left on this funded, so let's do this. Yeah. Where all the mods lately, they're usually blowing up the chat. They tend to be around more in whatchamacallit, New York session. Where I can give you a like. Aww! Turgalas, you are so sweet, thank you. I think I said your name wrong. I'm still bullish now. To above the 9.4 and possible 9.65. Chat, like I said, my point of interest would be 9.40. Back into that new daily opening gap. I just wonder if it's going to pop into it and then just keep going up, or if that's going to be the rejection point. So you can keep winning and get payouts until you blow the account. Yeah, that's my understanding. Is that correct, guys? That's not good. Draconius? That is so cool. What's up? How you doing? The markets aren't very nice. Just let me know and I'll go. Oh. They're being mean, Kobe. Can you tell them to give me a break? Please. Just... please. I could do with a little bit of a break. You said, well, I'll accept Turg. Turg. There we go. Thank you. I have his phone number. Yeah, good. Go tell them to stop being a meanie banini. It's time. Hey, Kareem, what's up? If you blow this account, what exactly am I going to do? I'm going to go again, get an eval, learn, and pass again. And learn from my mistakes. Yeah? We've had enough. Hey, young Beats, what's up? Damn, I didn't know clubbing could give you any clubs and touring so much. My ears are fine. Louis, you do tours? What tours do you do? What do you mean? In the Benin. What is wrong with you? Will I go? Oh yeah, probably. I'll probably get a Tradeify account. Ooh, the question is, do I get growth or lightning? Maybe lightning. The lightning's good. You only need 2,500 pass and you still have 2,000 drawdown. It's just obviously a little bit more expensive, but it's freaking awesome. And then you can get daily payouts on it. Yeah, I do like the lightning. Learn how new strat will switch things up. Exactly. Hey, Capital. No, I haven't blown it yet. Oh, thanks, Mike. I only took one trade. Technically. Yeah, playing music. Sometimes ready for bands friends are in. I am, Kobe, somehow. Like, the funded account is holding on by a thread. I might buy the select. There we go, select. Why did I say lightning? It is the select. Thank you, young verb. I've gotten pretty good. What strat idea do you think? Well, OTT, see if I can maybe improve on this with the volume profile. Not a bad idea. Or maybe just, like, sit down and thoroughly try the bub level. In my humble opinion, with all respect, and after you pass through evil, your confidence over skyrocketed. You think my confidence skyrocketed? Mike, that is so interesting because my confidence is in the damn toilet, but I appreciate that. Oh, Chad, that is amazing! Well done! Okay, seriously, where the heck are you? Go away. Lost me 8. DJ, what's up? How you doing? Why can I not find you? Why are you so irritating? Why do they sometimes not show up on chat? It's so weird. Make it make sense. Okay, it's now at that 914 level that everyone has been oh so keen on. I still want to see it reach 940. 940 has been my target this whole damn day. I told you more advanced strategy that is highly possible. Can you keep it a secret or not? Of course I can. I kept the Bob levels a secret for a very long time until I got permission from Bob to tell the source. And I told it, and now I no longer tell it, especially on MNQ. He gave permission. It's why it's a free indicator on gold. He gave permission for it to be on gold, but no one really knows what the Bob levels are on MNQ anymore. Oh, thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. Make trading great again. Yes, Max. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. We'll just pass on the 914 touch. It's a bit nicer when you can pass the combine in one day just to get it done and dusted. Yeah. Oh, Louis, that is amazing. You're gonna order her a foot massage through DoorDash or something? Can you imagine? $1 billion idea alert right there. Louis, you better freaking patent pen that ASAP. Except that sounds like a really bad idea and could be super dangerous. Okie dokie. Okay. Kobe. To be fair, I've only known the market since that individual has been in power. So clearly I haven't actually had the charts when they were nice. Just some keeping it. I don't know. Some people just see it as it was their idea and that's that. I don't know. I lost a lot of money trading. I want to recover. No, Nasdaq futures. This is not a pair. It's the futures. You feel my pain? I do. No. The bunion busters got me. Okay. You know what? That's enough internet for today. Goodness. I've learned a new trick. Just do that with my hair and then it stops pulling my hair out. Stupid glasses. Anyways, I'm gonna then call it there for today. Okay. We still have a New York session. So is New York it? Is New York the time that I blow this account or not? Dun dun dun. Let's see. No, I'm gonna seriously, I need to like sit on my hands and make sure that I'm like, okay, we've got this. Wait for an A+, kind of like yesterday. Yesterday there was no A+ setups until the very end and I didn't take it, but for good reason. I just wanted to forward test. It would have been a banger if I did take it, so that's fine. Lesson learned. Gonna do the same thing today. I'm almost gonna go in with the intention of not trading until I see an A+ setup. Anyways, I love you guys madly. I will be back for the New York session. Be there or be square, I guess. Square dance. Square. Anyways, if you guys want to join the community, you are more than welcome to. It is in the description below. There's the Discord link. Please be aware of scammers, guys. Please. They are so irritating. I think they have sent a message to every single one of you. So please, it is not me. If it sounds like it's been copy pasted, it's not me. I'm very informed. I'm like, hey, what's up? Okay. I love you guys madly. You guys are thebomb.com. I will be back for the New York session. If I don't see you guys there, I will see you then tomorrow. Okay. I love you guys. Trade safe if you're still trading. Otherwise, see you guys later. I love you. Bye.